What are we getting ready to do, Wubby?
Pull my tooth out.
Is this your first tooth?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Are you excited?
What are we gonna pull your tooth out with?
And the bow.
Whose bow?
Mom's.
Come on over here, Wubby. Stay with me. Otherwise...
Pull my tooth.
Okay. Are you ready? We're aiming at the
Okay,
target.
now when you drop back, I'm gonna go ahead and get right up there and zoom up on this tooth.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright. You ready, Wubby?
Uh-huh.
Let's see. Pull your lip down. Oh yeah, it's gone.
Here. Open. Stick that in there. Now we gotta find it.